my name is Mukta. As you can see from the title, the video is all about Diwali Makeup Look. If you guys want to know how I got this look, then please continue watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also, like and share this video. I'm starting off with applying aloe vera gel all over my face. As I have combination skin, I feel I need that extra hydration. Lately I'm using this moisturizer from Biotique and yeah, it's quite good. Then I'm using primer, which gives a perfect base for our makeup. It also makes our makeup last long. Next, I'm using concealer from Maybelline in the shade medium. I'm applying it under my eyes, a little bit on the forehead, chin, and you can conceal any dark spots if you have. I'm blending it using a beauty blender and taking the same on my eyelids. Then I'm using Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the shade Nude Beige. I highly recommend this foundation as it blends out effortlessly. And don't forget your neck, as it's yours. And blend everything seamlessly to avoid any patchiness. Currently I'm using Lakme rose powder to set my entire face, taking the same even on my eyelids. You can also use any compact powder you have to set your face. Oops, it was all around the place. Then I'm doing my eyebrows using Miss Clear eyebrow pencil. I'm just shaping them, doing in light strokes, not going crazy whatsoever, and brushing them lightly. Now coming to eye makeup, I am using one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes, that is Makeup Revolution's I Heart Makeup Chocolate Wise. This palette has literally all the colors that a beginner would need. I'm just using 2 shades for this look. First I'm taking this beautiful burnt orange color for my crease. Also taking it to the outer corner. Blend, blend and blend. Oh, have a safe blending. Then I'm taking that gorgeous copperish shade and placing it over my eyelids, leaving the outer corner. Then I'm taking the same color which I used for my crease and put that on my lower lash line. I'm taking a clean blending brush and blend my crease again until it looks all perfect. Then I'm doing a slightly winged eyeliner. Next I'm using a contouring and highlighting palette from Wet n Wild. As my face is round as circle, I need to contour my face to reduce that chubbiness and create some shadow. I'm taking the lighter shade from the palette and highlighting it just below where I did contour. Also lightly highlighting under my eyes and blending it. Then I'm applying kajal on my waterline. And now I'm blushing. using a blush from Maybelline just to get a hint of color on my cheeks. And eye makeup is never complete without a mascara. It instantly opens up your eyes. Don't forget your lower lashes. Then comes my favorite part, highlighter. If you're looking for an amazing highlighter, then this is the one. Makeup Revolution's Pro Illuminate. I'm highlighting on the highest points of my cheeks, cupid's bow, brow bone, inner corners of my eyes. It's festive makeup and all you need to do is glow like a goddess. Once again, I'm blending out to make sure everything is flawless. Coming to lips, use any lip balm you have. I'm just shaping my lips with a lip liner. And finishing off with a lipstick from Maybelline in the shade Flaming Fuchsia. It's a beautiful bright fuchsia color which is so apt for festivals. Here is the final look.